fan sounds like it has problems. It has bearing issues. It's getting worse and worse. Some type of fan that's inside the pipe is supposed to suck out the heat from the pipes. It was installed when we had this rebuilt for the studio. I'll be quiet and let you hear it. You can tell the bearings are garbage. As soon as it lock up, it's over. It won't work no more. I'm not gonna get up there try to take the pipe apart and give it oil. Once it dies, it's dead. That's it. It's not gonna work no more. I don't understand what this kind of fan in the pipe has to do with the recording studio, but listen to it. The bearing is getting worse. And there you go. Yep, the bearings are terrible. Just shut off. It is what it is. Cheap Chinese garbage inside the pipe to suck out the heat. The bearings sound like trash. I'm not the Fan Man. More to come soon. Subscribe to the channel and out.